Are you looking for the best chalk markers? Here we have picked toppest 7 for this time. Let's review them. Number 1. Most popular. Chalky Crown Liquid Chalk Markers. First on our list is Chalky Crown's Liquid Chalk Markers. These markers are non-toxic, water-based, and very easy to use, making it perfect for adults and children alike. They sell these markers in 3 styles: bold, jumbo, and metallic, so whatever you need them for, surely at least one of these is for you. I like that the colors come out bold and bright, and that the 6mm tips for the bold and metallic styles are reversible between bullet and chisel tips, making the markers more versatile. Number 2. Cedar Markers Liquid Chalk Markers. Cedar Markers Liquid Chalk Markers are the best chalk pens for you, if you want a good bang for your buck or if you're looking into buying markers in bulk. Each set, 12 or 18 pack, comes with the normal vibrant pastel colors and a few extra metallic and/or wine glass markers. These markers are water-based and non-toxic, so it's safe for your family and the environment. I also love that it comes with over 40 free chalkboard labels with different designs. Number 3. Chalkola Liquid Chalk Markers for Chalkboard. If you're into pastel colors, then Chalkola's Vintage Colors chalk markers are for you. They come in 10 beautiful and classic pastel colors and are safe for kids to use, as they are non-toxic, water-based, and dust-free compared to regular chalk. These markers can be used on all sorts of non-porous surfaces such as glass and ceramic, so I find it nice that you can easily make DIY art projects with it for home decorations, and even use them for the kids' art activities. Number 4. GOTIDEAL Liquid Chalk Markers. This product offers a huge range of colors in one set. The GOTIDEAL Liquid Chalk Markers come with 30 colored markers, 26 of which are neon and 4 are metallic, which makes them practical for various purposes. The marker tips are also reversible between the bullet and chisel type. For me, the reversible tips plus the wide assortment of colors means that I won't have any problems whenever I want to do more detailed line and color work. It also means that there are fewer limitations in whatever project I get into. Number 5. Kassa Liquid Chalk Markers. These Kassa Liquid Chalk Markers are kid-friendly and very easy to clean. They are non-toxic, odor-free, and dustless compared to their regular chalk counterparts. So, if you've grown tired of the mess of chalk, then get this product and see how different it can be. Each package of these markers come in 10 colors, and the product comes in 3mm and 6mm tip sizes. It's very simple to use, and I like that the tips are reversible for both tip size options. The tips can be switched between bullet and chisel type. Number 6. Blami Arts Liquid Chalk Markers. Get children away from electronics and free their imaginations with these colorful chalk markers from Blami Arts. These water-based markers are non-toxic and dust-free, making it perfect and safe for kids to use as compared to the regular, dusty chalk. Plus, the ink dries very quickly, which means artists and creators can work quickly as well. It's great that it's not hard to get these markers started, and I'm amazed that the ink flow is just right. It's not too dry and not too runny. Number 7. Chalk Markers by Fantastic CHALKTASTIC. These fantastic CHALKTASTIC professional liquid chalk markers are perfect for your signs, mirrors, menus, and any other decorative purposes on all sorts of non-porous surfaces. These are also safe for kids as they are non-toxic and odorless, so there's no harm in bringing them along on the fun. There are 8 neon markers in each box, and during use, I find that they are very vibrant and the marker runs smoothly on the surface. It's also dust-free and very easy to clean up with just a cloth.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.